you, the President of District Rajinpur, Women Wing, also a member of family of IHRM, International Human Rights Movement, Geneva. Today I am here to discuss something about Chinese Uyghur Muslims, the violation about them. Our duty is to repress the oppression of the Chinese Uyghur Muslim. TFC 21, Time for Change 2021. So all I have to say in this speech, I won't drag my speech today, because the thing is, what I think is, if a person having soft corner in his heart for me, so basically, obviously it is so obvious that the other person will also have the soft corner for me, and I will have the soft corner for her or him. So no, it is not even close to possible that if any person have bad intentions for me and I think good for them, that is not possible. It's not how it works. As far as the China is concerned, Chinese people are basically the People Republic of China. So these people are basically very strong economically. What China think is, by doing this violation, by resisting them, prohibiting them the Uyghurs, Muslim Uyghurs, through their religious act, humiliating them, hurting them emotionally, physically, what they think is they are doing the great. But this is their huge mistake. They don't think about their future. This will destroy their economical state. This will destroy their all the status in all the states. And Chinese, I am also talking to the Chinese government. You should be afraid of that moment when you people become Uyghurs. You people become your Chinese people become minorities to any other country, and they will do the same with your people. Then you will become aware of this, that how violation works. What you are doing right now is to kidnap the kids. You are humiliating the kids. 5-year-old kids aren't with their parents. You snatch them from their parents. Is this humanity? No, this is not humanity. This will destroy your all respect in the all country worldwide. And this is also against the law of UNO. You can't humiliate anyone. The person, Homo sapiens, humans, you can't humiliate any human. And where humanity comes, we don't count majority or minority. We just count humanity, humans. Our work is to save humanity. And as far as the solution is concerned about it, so in the last meeting someone said that partition is a solution of it, which I don't actually agree. I respect the opinions of everyone, but I don't really agree, because 55% of the Chinese populations are constituted of Uyghur Muslims, which are non-Chinese population. The only solution, what I think is, through my perspective, what I see through my eyes is, if any of the Uyghur Muslim is doing violation according to your rules, according to the Chinese rules, if they are humiliating you, if they are not working according to you, if they are not following your rules, you can do the same things, you can apply your rules to them. But if they are living peacefully, they are following you, so why is this? There is no point, there is no reason to humiliate them or hurt them emotionally or physically. This is not how it works. Please think about it. Please think about it twice, because it is not only about us. Being a Pakistani, I must say for the last line, you Chinese people, China is our friend country. We do respect, but please don't do that we have lost all respect for you. Thank you so much.